god. Like, oh my god, it's like in office. Like, oh my god. We're just in nature in this park. We came here with our family to have a picnic, like a barbecue. And now we're just here having a bike ride, but we discovered this little bridge stuff. So we're just taking pictures and a fly entered in my eye here, and I think it ruined my makeup, but I don't know. And yeah, just enjoying nature. Oh my god, so antisocial, like taking so many selfies, like oh my god. Today we can call ourselves heroes because we saved a snake from being killed.